It is spring here in Sacramento. We have a lot of school groups visiting. One of the things we demonstrate here in our school programs is the blacksmith shop. And with all the flowers blooming on the park grounds, let's make a flower here in the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort. First thing we're going to do is come on over to the anvil and flatten out our round stock. We're going to continue to draw this out and flatten it on the face of the anvil. Now that we've drawn out enough material, we are going to heat this up again and start to wrap it using some scrolling tongs. I'm going to bring this out. Clamp it with the scrolling tongs and start to roll this in itself. Once we have this pretty closed up, we can open it back up. I'm going to get a little bit more heat and start to roll this down just a little bit more. Clamp, roll some more. Take it over to the anvil. Make sure we're all flattened down here in place. I can take our scrolling tongs, open this up, bring it around however I want to have our flower look. And now we're going to work on the other side to make a leaf that's going to go off the side of our flower. We're now going to work on the other side of the flower, flattening out the stalk. This is going to serve and fold over to make the leaf. Heat this up one more time, get this a little bit more flat. Take this out, bring this down. So now that I have this nice and flat, I'm going to heat this up, fold this over by bending it on the corner of the anvil, and then bringing off the side for the leaf. All right, we're going to bring this out. Get our nice flat angle here on the anvil. Now what we can do, flip this around and close it up on itself. You do one more heat and bring this leaf off to the side so it's nice and decorative. All right, we're going to bring this out. A couple more hits here. Use our scrolling tongs. I'm going to pinch that. Bring that leaf around off to the side here. Close this back up. Bring that off there. Let's quench. And here we have a nice flower made in the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort.